In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Zoho Payroll. We'll keep this simple and easy to follow so you can get into your account without any confusion. If you already have access to a Zoho account, the process is very quick. And once you're inside, you'll be able to move forward and explore the payroll section at your own pace. To begin, open your Zoho account. You can do this from your browser by going to the Zoho website and signing in through the main account page. Make sure you use your own login credentials and double-check that everything is entered correctly, especially if your browser does not autofill the information properly. If you're on a shared device, it's also a good idea to confirm that you're signing into the correct account before continuing. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the Apps section. This is where Zoho organizes the different services connected to your account. After you click on Apps, you should see a list or dashboard showing the available Zoho tools. Depending on your account setup, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. From there, locate Payroll. Take a moment to scan through the available apps until you find it, then click to open it. This will take you into the Zoho Payroll area, where you may be asked to enter the necessary details before continuing. Go ahead and fill in the requested information carefully. The exact details can vary depending on your setup, so just follow the prompts on screen and make sure everything is accurate. After entering the required information, click Save and Continue. This confirms your details and moves you into the payroll workspace. If everything has been entered correctly, you should now be inside Zoho Payroll and ready to use it. Once you're in, feel free to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the layout. This is a helpful way to understand where the main features are and how the platform is organized. If you're new to Zoho Payroll, taking a few extra moments to look around can make future tasks much easier. And that's it. That's how to log in to Zoho Payroll. As long as you can access your Zoho account, open the Apps section, find Payroll, enter the necessary details, and click Save and Continue, you'll be able to get started smoothly.